everyone. My part-time job. I am a university student. I got a part-time job. I work every weekend from 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. My part-time job takes up a lot of my spare time. I don't have time for fun, yet I don't want to quit the job. With this job, I don't need to ask my parents for money. I can even contribute to help children in poor areas. I really enjoy earning my own money and making my own decisions, even though it is not easy to balance my time. I highly recommend that every university student get a part-time job. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.